drop martini. This is my favorite dessert ever. It's the sticky toffee pudding from Earl's. It's warm chocolate cake and ice cream. So good.
Growing up a brown girl in an Indian family is really hard, and you feel like you don't even exist. So then I'm pretty sure I was crying one day because the parents were like, "You're oblivious," and I was like, "I'm a person too." And then we don't get sent to our room. We just run because it's so scary. So then I ran for my life, and then I wrote this poem. Emptying out of my mother's belly was my first act of disappearance. Learning to shrink for a family who likes their daughters invisible was the second. The art of being empty is simple. Believe them when they say you are nothing. Repeat it to yourself like a wish. I am nothing, I am nothing, I am nothing. So often, the only reason you know you're still alive is from the heaving of your chest. He placed his hands on my mind before reaching for my waist, my hips, or my lips. He didn't call me beautiful first, he called me exquisite. This one's great because since I started to date, I'm always like, okay, well, after a bunch of really bad relationships, what is a relationship really supposed to look like? And so I came up with this poem, and all of my friends have booked me for all of their weddings for the next 10 years to read it as well. So business is going very well. I do not want to have you to fill the empty parts of me. I want to be full on my own. I want to be so complete, I could light a whole city. And then I want to have you, because the two of us combined would set it on fire. Book number 2.
Hey guys, wasn't 100% gonna vlog today, but I'm just vlogging right now because my car just died. Oh, trying to steer really hard. My car just died. I got off work at 1 o'clock, went to head to an appointment at 1:30. I only had 20 minutes to get there, and my car just died in the middle of this, that intersection right there. It's the busiest one. R.I.P. Well, there she is. I don't even know what to say. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're back. My car died like right in front of Wendy's, so I'm back. My mom waited here to get for the tow truck with her like insurance or whatever. So we're here back at Wendy's because I'm freaking starving, and I'm driving my mom's car for the day. And so I basically have to drive her around to where she needs to go, and I have to go to the bank and stuff, so whatever. But I've never seen this before. I'm so sad. So I'm going to go into Wendy's with my mom. And I just want to give a shout out to Nicole, the manager at Wendy's. Thank you so much, girl, for coming out onto the road and pushing my car with me. And also John, the random mechanic, who showed up out of nowhere and ran out into the middle of, oh, you can't even see, the big intersection over there. So thank you, Nicole and John, for saving the day. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my day in Vancouver and this little randomness of my car dying. And I will see you guys this weekend for my birthday.